doing something a little bit different today. My channel's only been around for about 2 weeks, and due to the overwhelming support, I literally am floored that any of these videos got more than like 3 views. So I'm going to be giving back to the people that have supported me these past 2 weeks, and I'm going to be giving away a kitchen knife. So let's get a little closer look and I'll show you what I got. Alright everyone, so for anyone who's not educated, Shun makes some of the best kitchen knives that money can buy. So this is going to be the Shun Premier set. Now let me give a little reveal on the knife. Now this is a 7-inch Santoku blade with a hammered finish and a VG Max core. So if you look at it, you'll notice that there's a striation pattern right here. So what they do is they take the steel and they put a softer steel on the edge, or the spine, and they put a harder steel on the inside. I almost sliced my finger open there. This is very sharp. So the cutting edge is very sharp and the top edge is very soft, so it gives it a nice flexibility, but also keeps a very, very keen and solid edge. Try to stop shining that into the camera light. There we go. Now this is going to feature a Pakkawood handle. This handle is a laminate wood, so on the outside it's going to repel water and it's going to give you a nice grip. Okay? See if I can get that to focus. Nice hammered end plate with the Shun logo on the back. This knife is really beautiful, guys. So all you need to do to enter this contest is you're going to have to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below that says, "Tastes all right to me," and you're automatically entered. I'll pick a winner on Wednesday, and I'll just let you know via DMs that you've won. So it's that easy. I want to thank you all again from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. It's unbelievable to me that I've even had this many views, so we're going to be trying to do a lot more of these in the future, get you guys in the kitchen, get you cooking with the proper tools. So again, I'm going to be drawing the winner on Wednesday, so make sure to subscribe and comment down below before then, and good luck. Thanks for watching.